Hi, I am going to do a very quick video to explain how you can access your whiteboard and to show you a few things that you can do on your whiteboard to enhance your Zoom meetings. So right here, I have a Zoom meeting, and what you have to do is, and I'm the only one on here, of course, that's why you don't see any of those squares around the screen. So what you have to do is just simply click share screen and then go up here and click whiteboard and then click share. Once you do that, everybody that's on the Zoom meeting, excuse me, will be able to see the whiteboard. Now, once you get here to the whiteboard, it comes up as a pen. You can do whatever you want. It's just like having a regular pen or pencil. So say, for instance, I was doing math, and let's say we were working on our multiplication. I could then maybe say 3 times 2. Now with that pen, you can go up here and you can change the actual color of the font if you would like to. And as you can see, again, it changes the total color of the font. Now, in addition to that, if you even want to draw something, which is really nice, let's say again you're working on multiplication, so I went up there to draw and I selected the shape here. So let's say I wanted to do 3 times 2. So here we go. We have our 3 rows here that I just did. And then we have, of course, 2 in each row. Let's move this up. Make that one a little bit smaller. So it's very, very easy to use this, but it's good because your students, unlike if you were maybe writing on a whiteboard at your house, and then the students would have to, see that through their camera, it's a lot easier. So then you can just, of course, talk about that here. Another thing on the draw, if you want to, I like to use the marker here is what I call it when I'm just writing, because I think students can see it a little bit better, just like writing with a thicker marker on your dry erase board. So you have that as well. In addition, you have something that's called a stamp. And let's say I was again doing multiplication and I wanted to click that arrow. I can simply just go here and click. I can say that's 1 row, that's 2 rows, that's 3 rows. So I like that stamp. Or maybe I can even put a star there instead. If I wanted to erase something, I'd simply come up here to this eraser and then I can click on it like that. Let's see. Let's go back and get our pen. All right, now another thing that you can do is you can type in text. So you can simply click on the text right there and then click on your whiteboard and it'll give you this rectangle. And then let's say you were trying to teach your students how to write a better story. Maybe you were trying to teach them how to write an introduction. So you just click on that text again, a box will appear, and then you can go ahead and best there lived a giant. Okay, so that's really good as well. Let me see what else I wanted to show you. So I showed you draw, I showed you the stamp function. Spotlight is right here. So if you're teaching and you've typed several things, but you want to highlight it a little bit, you can grab your spotlight right there, which is really great. Or you can actually do like this, and whatever your name is attached to the Zoom meeting, you'll be able to do that. I like that one a lot. Let's see. And of course you have your undo and your redo. And then of course you also have your clear if you wanted to clear your screen. Now, the last thing I wanted to show you, which is really great, if you want to save what you've done, you can simply click save. And what will actually happen is it will, and let me see if I can, oops, didn't mean to do that. Let's go back. Hopefully it's still there. If not, No biggie. Okay, so it is still there. All right, so you can go here and you can click your save, and it'll actually save it into a folder for you. Okay, so first I'm just going to clear all of my drawings, and then of course, once again, you can start again. And one other thing also, if you click down here, it'll give you another page. So let's say you put so much stuff on this page, but you don't want to get rid of it. Simply go down to the bottom and click the arrow, and then it'll give you another page, and you can do whatever you want to on that page. So then let's see if we go back to this page. And again, if I want to save something, it's now saved, and then you click on show in folder. And what will happen is it will just pop up here in your folder, which is absolutely great. You click on it and do whatever you want to, send it, to, your students in Class Dojo or whatever it is that you want to do. So this is really, really great. Hopefully this was helpful to you. I use it all the time when I'm doing live